this is the final look. So, gi-bleach na ko ang buhok. And then, yan, hindi ko niya timalan to repair it. And this is the final look. Thank you, te. So satisfied. Hindi daw siya magpakita.
Maulaw po.
Maulaw daw siya nila. So, I'm so satisfied. Oh much.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, guys. Visit Mylin's. Kasi ako Mylin's
Mylin's Salon.
Visit Mylin's Salon here in
Fishport.
Fishport. Sa una kay Mercado. Dito man to sa market na ako nagbawan din eh. First time pa po na ako naari din eh.
Okay, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye-bye.